If you're sick and tired of paying for so many different apps, so many different tools, and so many different websites, this is going to be the best video that you've ever watched, because in it, I'm going to show you an AI agent that can help you clone any tool, any website, or any app that you want. You simply tell it in plain English exactly what you want to do, and it's going to go through and build out the front end, the back end, the database, and it can even link it to different AI powerful tools. And that's not even the craziest part, because you can also connect your app to Claude, ChatGPT, or any other MCP compatible agent in seconds. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what this tool is, how to use it, and I'm literally going to walk through cloning a website with you. Now, that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be Creo AI, and I love this tool because it's the first AI native app builder that lets anybody build full stack apps. For example, if we come down here, you could see all the different internal tools that you can build, and if you wanted to build off of any of these, you could remix them directly, or you could preview it right here. But for the sake of this video, what I wanted to show you is how we're going to clone this website and this tool right here, because it's currently bringing in millions of dollars, and I'm going to show you in less than 20 minutes how you can actually build this out for yourself with Creo AI without having to code anything. So the first thing we have to do is we have to come over here and give this a prompt. For example, I'm going to say I want to create an AI thumbnail generator tool like pixels.com. Users should be able to describe the type of YouTube thumbnail that they want to create, and then it should be made with Nano Banana. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this right here, and this is going to go through and begin to prepare this out and build out the plan here. Okay, so now that this has gone through and actually done this, we could see that we can configure different connections here. For example, this is going to have access to YouTube's MCP server, and it's going to have access to the Nano Banana API. In addition to that, if we scroll down, we could see the product brief right here. So this says that it's going to build a web application that allows users to generate custom YouTube thumbnails with descriptions using AI image generation. And then it goes through all the different features that this is going to have. For example, text input interface, AI image generation, thumbnail preview, download functionality, and generation history. Now I went through and I approved this, and now this agent is going to go through, and this is actually going to begin building this out. Now, while this is building this out, we could come over here in a dashboard and we could see this. So we could see the overview, which is going to show the prompt. It's going to show the code agent input. We could come under integrations right here and see the different integrations that were actually used for this. In addition to that, I wanted to come over here in integrations to show you all the other integrations here, because you could search by tons of them, like Slack, Google Calendar, Google Sheets, GitHub, Perplexity Search. We could see Nano Banana right here, a bunch of other ones, but then also collaboration and communication tools, design and creative tools. We have entertainment, gaming, marketing, and social media. There are tons of different integrations here, and you can connect this to anything that you want with custom MCP servers, so long as it's MCP compatible. And then what you're going to be able to do is connect your app to these different tools to make it way more powerful. On top of that, I did want to emphasize that Creo AI is built for teams. What does this mean? That multiple people can be building, editing, and collaborating together in real time. In addition to that, if we come back over into this website clone, you'll be able to see that very easily we could see all the different versions that were made here. So it's really easy to do version control and know who's got access to what and who changed what. This is really what makes Creo AI perfect for everybody. It doesn't matter if you're a founder, a creator, a team, or you're just somebody that wants to see your app or your vision come to fruition. Creo AI is the tool for you. Okay, so now this tool is actually done, and we can come over here and see exactly what it is. So we have a YouTube thumbnail generator, which creates eye-catching YouTube thumbnails with AI-powered image generation, and we could see we just come over here, describe exactly what kind of thumbnail we actually want to create, and this gives us different example prompts right here, and then it's actually going to generate this right here. Now, in addition to that, we could click on this right here, and you could see that there is a co-pilot added automatically here by Creo AI. And you can use this in two ways. You can use this for yourself internally in order to be able to manipulate things, or the user will be able to use this for support. So let's actually test that if this works. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say I want to make a thumbnail that shows the 2026 C8 Corvette. It should have text across the top that says new C8 for 2026. Now, what this is going to go through and do, I'm just going to fix the spelling there. I'm going to click on generate thumbnail, and then the thumbnail is going to be created right here, and I'm going to be able to download it and be able to see all the previous versions just like I specified in the instructions. Then we could see that's exactly what we've got right here. Now, there are a few edits that we do need to make to this. For example, if I come over here and I download this thumbnail, this looks perfect, but in this preview right here, it doesn't actually look perfect, but there's no worries about that because we can actually just come through and change this. So we're going to want to adjust this so that the sizing is correct, but then also so that it displays correctly right here, but that'll be a really easy fix. Oh, one other change that I did want to highlight here. If we come over here, you could see that you can also import Figma designs into the build agent. And this is incredibly easy to do. In fact, they walk you through this step by step. In order to set up your Figma agent builder integration, literally just come over here. You have to generate a Figma personal access token. It tells you exactly how to actually do that. Then you have to register your API key in Creo, and it shows you again exactly how to do that. And then from there, this is going to go through, and this is actually going to build you out an app specified to exactly what you want, and you could see all the different prompts that you could use here. You could see the best practices, and Creo has built out this really incredible best practices tab and integrations tab that I would strongly suggest you check out if you get stuck with anything when you're building your app. Now, before I show you how easy it is to deploy this website and to make edits to it, if you wanted to, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Creo AI today. If you want to build full AI apps or AI websites, you're going to want to make sure that you use this tool because it makes it incredibly easy, and they have so many powerful integrations that are going to help your AI app be better than if you used another tool. Okay, so in order to actually adjust this, here's what we're going to do. We're going to come over here. We're going to click on dashboard. I am going to change the way that this looks right here, and we're going to come over here, and we could see that we can iterate and improve, or we could refine the design, and if we wanted to, we could add in additional integrations right here. So what I'm going to say is I want it changed so that the entire thumbnail shows in the preview. I'm going to say, in addition, it's making it in the wrong format. Now, what this is going to do is this is going to go through, and this is going to actually make whatever changes I actually need made here. And as we can see, I only used 2 of 22 integrations in this. I could use more if I wanted to, but for now, I'm going to click on skip because we don't actually need to do that. Instead, we just need this to go through and actually implement this change here. And then just like that, we could come over here and we could see that this went through and this fixed this, and this literally just took a few minutes for it to go off and make all the different changes that we want. So now what we could do is come back over here, make this full screen again, and let's test this out. I'm going to say C8 Corvette right here. This is going to click on generate thumbnail, and then this is going to go off, and this is going to make us a thumbnail for the C8 Corvette video. Just like that, we have a tool that works. We can see that this is a little bit wider, but that's because I told it to do it so I can see the entire thumbnail here. But then when we upload this to YouTube, it is going to auto correct the sizing of it, and then we're going to have a perfect YouTube thumbnail. Now, if we wanted to share this with other folks, literally all we have to do is come over here. You can invite them by email, or you can make it so that anybody with the link has access, and you could give them different types of access if you wanted to. You could give them viewer, you could give them user, you could see all the different people with access, you can manage all the roles from right here, and this is what makes this incredibly powerful. Now, I don't want you to think you can only use this in order to prevent paying for something like a YouTube thumbnail generator. The way that I want you to think about Creo is you can use this to replace any type of software you're currently using, anything that you're paying for, or you could use it to create anything that you wish existed for your specific business or your job or whatever the case is, because you could come over here and go through all of these different integrations. If you use Slack, I'm sure there's a tool that you don't have that you can now build. If you use Notion, I'm sure there's a tool that you wish you had that you can now build, and that's where the real power of this comes from, because it's permissionless. You don't have to pay a subscription fee to get access to these things anymore, or you don't have to wait for a developer to do work for you, or maybe you don't have to pound your head up against a wall and hope and pray that somebody is going to build the tool, the AI app, the AI website that you want to see for yourself, because now you can build it out with Creo, and guess what? You can get started with this today for free. And this is going to completely change your life. And if you ever get stuck with anything, just come over to get inspired with ideas. You can come over here and you can click on different things. For example, Slack and Salesforce. So you can click on generate ideas. And then this is going to go through and generate ideas for you and help you brainstorm, which is going to give you ideas and different concepts that you could build out in order to actually do things. For example, I really like idea 1 right here. Build a personal Salesforce lead reminder tool that checks your assigned leads each morning and sends you a Slack message with a list of leads that you haven't contacted in the past 3 days. Include the lead name, company, and days since last contact. Now, if I want to take this one step further, I'd come over here in a calendar, come over here in Outlook, and I'd add that in there so that it automatically reaches out to those leads for me. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through exactly how you can create AI avatars in order to promote your new AI app or your new AI website. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.